Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is October 1st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are trading higher by 14.25 points to 29.33.25 per contract. All in all, the futures are higher based on one news item. The U.S. and Canada have come to a trade deal, and that is spiking the markets. You could see right here last night, right when the futures opened, they really skyrocketed up into the 11 o'clock time frame. Since then, they basically have gone sideways in a range, but nonetheless, futures are higher as the U.S. and Canada strike a trade deal. So there we go. We have NAFTA 2.0 in place. We'll see how this all plays out going forward, but that is giving the futures a big pop here today. Let's take a look at another big pop out here, and it's Tesla. TSLA is the ticker symbol here. Looks like Elon Musk has settled with the SEC. I believe there's a $20 million fine. There's also some other fine details in there. You can check it out for yourself. But right now, the stock is trading at $306.75. That's a great move considering the stock closed at $264.77 on Friday. So again, big move there. I just did a little calculation this morning to see how far this could squeeze. And if you could get above 310 on an hourly chart close, this actually can squeeze back up to 325. So again, we'll see if it has a little more squeeze power. There's a lot of shorts in here. We'll see how that plays out today. But nonetheless, Tesla on the move, and that is a pretty big move. Let's take a look at General Electric. That's also on the move today. That is catching a big bid, trading at $13.04. It closed at $11.29. Looks like there's going to be a new CEO and a new chairman in place. So the former CEO stepping down. We'll see how that plays out. The market seems to like it, at least ahead of the opening bell. I really don't know what's going to change there, but nonetheless, we'll see. Right now, with the stock trading at $13.05, you can see the next resistance level will be this 100-day moving average right around $13.29. So again, maybe a little bit more upside for this one, but not too much more. If it gets through there and it squeezes higher, you have $14 resistance and then $14.27 with the 200-day moving average. But nonetheless, GE on the move this morning. That's a pretty solid pop. Let's take a look at some upgrades and downgrades. You have Chipotle Mexican Grill being downgraded today. That stock has already been beaten up pretty good over the last month, and it is trading lower. I don't think it goes much lower from here, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Next one we want to take a look at is Teva Pharmaceuticals. Looks like this was added to Goldman Sachs' conviction buy list. Stock is trading at $22.17, closed at $21.54. Next up, we have Cal Maine Foods. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Stock is getting hit pretty hard. They are trading at $43.40. This is not a heavy volume stock, meaning rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day. But today, slipping all the way down to the $43.40 level. I do think there's a lot of support here. I'm going to try to work out some levels for this. Even though it's a light volume name, I normally don't love these stocks to trade when they don't trade 1 million shares or more. But I do think you have a pretty good amount of support down here around 42.60 or so. So we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we have FFIV, which is F5 Network. Stock is trading at $194.01, closed at $199.42. So good little sell-off there. I'm not sure how low this could go. It looks like it's back testing its daily chart 20-period moving average. So no harm really done there yet, but that's still a pretty good sell-off from the close. Here we have Intel. Full disclosure, I do own shares in Intel. The stock right now is trading at $46.69. Looks like they were downgraded today. Stock had a big pop on Friday. If you take a look at Friday's big surge, so it's coming back in, giving a little bit back today on the downgrade, but we'll see how that finishes. Full disclosure, I do own shares in Intel. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. You can trade right alongside of us. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold futures Right now trading down $1.30 to $1,194.90 an ounce. We'll take a look here at the GLD. That is Good Gold ETF. That is trading at 112.73, basically right where it closed on Friday. Crude oil is just up a penny right now to $73.26 a barrel. We'll use the USO for that, and you can see that's trading at $15.49, really unchanged from the close on Friday. So gold and oil very, very quiet. We have a really good move, though, in the futures today with the U.S.-Canada trade deal that was announced, and we'll see how this all plays out going forward. But nonetheless, it's been a wild couple of weeks, a lot of choppiness. Hopefully that continues. We'll get lots more trade action. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. And again, we're having a fantastic 2018. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.